माननीय सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी,
Honorable members, I refer with profound sorrow to the passing away of Shri Sharda Mohanty, a former member of this House, on the 8th of July 2015 at the age of 90 years. Born in March 1925 in Kalahandi district of Odisha, Shri Mohanty was educated at the Christ College, the Ravenshaw College and the MS Law College, Cuttack. An advocate, Shri Mohanty served in the Odisha government for 7 years before starting legal practice in 1956. He was committed to the upliftment of the weaker and downtrodden sections of society. Shri Sharda Mohanty represented the state of Odisha in this House from April 1990 to April 1996. In the passing away of Shri Sharda Mohanty, the country has lost an able parliamentarian and a dedicated social worker. We deeply mourn the passing away of Shri Sharda Mohanty. I request members to rise in their places and observe silence as a mark of respect to the memory of the departed. Secretary General will convey to the members of the bereaved family our sense of profound sorrow and deep sympathy. Papers to be laid on the table. Shri Sadanand Gowda.
I beg to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned at serial number 1 against my name in today's list of business.
Shri Ramvilas Paswan.
महोदय, मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में अपने नाम के आगे उल्लिखित वक्तव्य सभापटल पर रखता हूँ।
श्री संतोष कुमार गंगवार।
मैं आज की कार्यसूची के क्रम संख्या 3 पर मेरे नाम के सम्मुख उल्लिखित कागजात को आज की इस संशोधित कार्यसूची के अनुसार सदन के पटल पर रखने की अनुमति चाहता हूं।
श्री मोहन भाई कुंडारिया।
सभा पटल पर रखे जाने वाले कागज के संबंध में आज की कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 4 से 1-2 तक उल्लिखित कागजात सभा पटल पर रखने की अनुमति चाहता हूं।
श्री मनोज सिन्हा।
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 5 in today's revised list of business.
डॉक्टर संजीव कुमार बलियान।
माननीय सभापति जी, मैं आज की राज्यसभा की पुनरीक्षित कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सम्मुख मत संख्या 6 पर उल्लेखित पद सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ।
श्री मुख्तार अब्बास नकवी।
Sir, on behalf of my colleague Shri Jain Sinha, I rise to lay on table of the House the paper listed against his name as serial number 7 in today's revised list.
श्री विजय सांबला।
ये सभापति जी, आज की कार्यसूची में मत संख्या 8 नंबर पर मेरे नाम के समक्ष दस्तावेजों को सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ।
रिपोर्ट ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट लेटर पार्लियामेंट्री स्टैंडिंग कमेटी ऑन होम अफेयर्स श्री पी भट्टाचार्य।
Sir, I beg to present a copy each, English and Hindi, of the following reports of Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Home Affairs. 1. 187th report on the action taken by the government on the recommendation observation contained in 177 report of the Coastal Security Scheme. And number 2, 188 report on the action taken by the government on the recommendation observation contained in 178 report on disaster management in the country.
Report of the Joint Committee on Office of Profit, Sri Sukandar Shekhar Roy.
Sir, with your permission, I beg to lay on the table a copy in English and Hindi of the second report of the Joint Committee on Offices of Profit.
Report of the Department of Later Parliamentary Committee on Finance, Dr. Mahendra Prasad.
Thank you, sir. I beg to lay on the table of the copy, each in English and Hindi, of the following reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Finance 2014-15. First, 15 report on action taken by the government on the recommendations contained in the second report of the Committee on Demands of Grants 2014-15 of the Ministry of Finance, Department of Economic Affairs, Expenditure, Financial Services and Disinvestment. 2. 16 report on action taken by the government on the recommendations contained in the third report of the Committee on Demands for Grants 2014-15 of the Ministry of Finance, Department of Revenue. Third, 7th report on action taken by the government on the recommendations contained in the 5th report of the Committee on Demands of Grant 2014-15 of the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, and 5th, 15th report on action taken by the government on the recommendations contained in the 6th report of the Committee on Demands for Grants 2014-15 of the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Sorry, the announcement by Chair. I have to inform the members that a letter has been received from Sri Kunal Kumar Ghosh stating that he is unable to attend the sittings of the House from 21st July to 13th August 2015 as he is still in the custody for CBI investigation. He has therefore requested for grant of leave of absence for the entire session of the Rajya Sabha. Does he have the permission of the House for remaining absent from 21st July to 13th August 2015 of the current session of the Rajya Sabha? I hope the House agree. Permission to remain absent is granted. Statement by Ministers. Sri Ram Vilas Paswan.
Sir, I make a statement regarding the
lay on the table.
implementations of recommendations contained in the third report of the Department related to the Parliamentary Standing Committee of Food, Consumers Affairs and Public Distributions on demands of grant 2015-16 pertaining to the Department of Food, Public Distribution, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution.
Thank you. Sri Ravi Shankar Prasad.
Sir, in pursuant to Direction 35 of the Honourable Chairman of Rajya Sabha, I would like to lay a statement showing implementation status on the recommendations, observations contained in the first and third report of Standing Committee on Information Technology on demands for grants for 2014-15 pertaining to Department of Post and Department of Telecommunication, respectively, on the table of the House.
Thank you. Sri Anand Kumar Ahir. Sri Anand Kumar Ahir. Sri Anand Kumar Ahir. You will do, Nakwi?
Sir, on behalf of my colleague, Shri Hansraj Ahir, I lay table the statement.
Okay, Sri Manoj Sinha.
Sir, I rise to lay a statement regarding status of implementation of recommendations contained in the third report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Railways on demands for grants 2014-15 pertaining to the Ministry of Railways.
Dr. Sanjeev Kumar Balia.
माननीय सभापति जी, मैं आज की राज्यसभा की पुनरीक्षित कार्यसूची में कृषि मंत्रालय की अनुदान मांगों 2014-15 से संबंधित कृषि संबंधी संसदीय स्थायी की 5वीं रिपोर्ट में निहित सिफारिशों पर सरकार द्वारा किए गए कार्यान्वयन की स्थिति के बारे में वक्तव्य सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ.
Now, motion for election to the Central Supervisory Board constituted under Section 7(1) of the Preconception and Prenatal Diagnostic Techniques Prohibition of Sex Selection Act 1994. Sri Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi to move.
सर, मेरे वरिष्ठ सहयोगी श्री जगत प्रकाश नड्डा जी की ओर से मैं यह प्रस्ताव करता हूं कि गर्भधारण पूर्व प्रसव पूर्व निदान तकनीक अधिनियम 1994 की धारा 8 की उपधारा 1 के खंड ए के साथ पठित धारा 7 की उपधारा 2 के खंड 4 के अनुसरण में यह सभा उस रीति से जैसे सभापति निर्देश दें, सभा के सदस्यों में से एक महिला सदस्य को अधिनियम की धारा 15 के उपबंध के अधीन, जिसमें अन्य बातों के साथ साथ यह अनुबंध की पदेन सदस्य के अतिरिक्त किसी अन्य सदस्य को लगातार 2 से अधिक अवधि के लिए नियुक्त नहीं किया जाएगा, केंद्रीय पर्यवेक्षक बोर्ड का सदस्य होने के लिए निर्वाचित करने की कार्रवाई करे.
Now motion moved. Those in favor please say aye. Those against please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Motion is adopted. Now statement regarding government business. Sri Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to announce the government business during the week commencing Monday, 3rd August 2015 will consist. The consideration of any item of the government business carried over from the today's order paper. Consideration and passing of the Appropriation Act Repeal Bill 2015 as passed by the Lok Sabha. Consideration and passing of the following bill after they are passed by the Lok Sabha. The Negotiable Instrument Amendment Bill 2015, Repealing and Amending Bill 2015, Consideration and Return of Appropriation Bill relating to a following demand after they are passed by the Lok Sabha. Demand for excess grant Railway 2012-13, Supplementary Demand for Grant Journal 2015-16, Consideration and Passing of the Child Labour Provision and Regulation Amendment Bill 2012.
Now, Sri Santosh Kumar Gangwar to make a statement on the decision of the government to declare 7th August as National Handloom Day. It is listed as last item today, but with the permission of the House, I am permitting me to lay it on the table.
सर माननीय सदस्यों को
It's a small statement, you can read also.
मुझे प्रसन्नता हो रही है कि
It's a small statement, you can read.
बस I am laying on the table, sir, the statement relating the 7th August as राष्ट्रीय हथकरघा दिवस. Thank you, sir.
No. I permitted you to read it. Okay. Yeah. It's a small statement. It's a small statement. Small statement.
मुझे माननीय सदस्यों को धन्यवाद है। स्वदेशी उद्योगों विशेषकर प्रोत्साहित करने के लिए 7 अगस्त 1905 को चलाए गए स्वदेशी आंदोलन को सम्मान देते हुए भारत सरकार ने हथकरघा दिवस 7 अगस्त 2015 को मनाया जा रहा है। राष्ट्रीय हथकरघा दिवस मनाने का उद्देश्य सामान्य रूप से हथकरघा की महत्ता और देश के सामाजिक आर्थिक विकास में इसके योगदान के बारे में जागरूकता और विशेषकर हथकरघा को बढ़ावा देना है। बुनकरों की आय और गौरव में वृद्धि। धन्यवाद सर।
Everybody welcomes, and that should be it.
That is why I thought it is everybody welcome this announcement. That's why I thought it had to be made.
It could have come from the chair.
Chair.
It's a national statement.
Yeah. Since I saw the statement, I found that everybody welcomes the statement. I thought then we will start with a pleasant note, a good statement. So I thought let me make it. That is why I said. Okay, now the notice under 267 for suspension of rules. But I have to make an see. Yes, the point is there are 4 notices for suspension of the suspension of the rules for taking up discussion. Even earlier also, I have agreed for suspension and allowed to move the motion. And you have not moved the motion. Then what is the purpose of this motion?
Sir, I am on a point of order, sir.
Yeah. Yes. What is the point of order? Okay.
Sir,
you see,
I am on a point of order, sir.
I am ready to. Yes. Why you create? Why you create?
This is the ministers are disrupting.
I'm not fighting. You allow. No, let me listen. You sit down. Let me. See.
I am on a point of order.
Yeah. Point of order. I'll call you.
Sir.
Point of order you allow. Please allow the point of order. Let us not break the convention. No, please allow. I am coming to that. Treasury benches, please. See, but Anand Sharma.
Sir.
No, please, let me say something. Sit down.
Sir,
let me say something. Mr. Anand Sharma, I am ready to allow you the point of order, but I have to only make one submission. I use the word submission.
Sir.
The reason is that, see, last week, at least 2 or 3 times, I allowed the suspension of the business and allowed the motion to be moved.
Sir.
But you did not move the motion.
Sir,
Today, are you ready to move the motion?
Please allow me.
That is all what I am asking.
First of all, sir.
Answer me.
First of all, listen to my point of order, sir.
Okay, let me listen to him. Yes, I will call you. let me listen to him. Let me listen to the point of order. Yes, Minister, I will call you. Let me listen to the, let me listen to the point of order, please. Yes, please, Anand Sharma. Yes, point of order, you tell me.
Sir,
What is the rule, tell me. Under which rule? Rule also come.
In which rule?
Ah.
Points of order in which rule?
No, please.
Points of order किस
No,
rule में?
sit down, I will deal.
please, sir.
Minister should not deal with it, I will deal with it. Sit down. Sit down.
Please allow me to say.
Minister,
Between me and
let me
the chair.
deal with it. Minister, let me deal with it. Let me deal with it, Minister. Poliye,
Sir,
what do you want to say?
My point of order is a limited one under the rules and the listed business.
Yeah,
Now, when it comes to the motions which the chair has referred to
yeah.
and the motions which happened in the past,
No, let me listen to the point of order. Let me listen. Let me listen to the point of order. Tarun Vijay, sit down. Now please continue.
sir, with due respect, under the rules of the House, the motions of the past are motions of the past. Every motion is independent. The motions of today and the 4 motions which have been moved by members under 267 are independent motions, and the past ruling on this, sir, allow me to complete,
Okay,
sir.
okay.
Second thing, sir, if the motion which you, chair has referred to, then the motions have been clear that the Prime Minister responds to our demand for accountability and action. So it is the House. Executive has the accountability to the Parliament. Therefore, we are within our rights to bring fresh motions and to demand action. That is the issue. Second thing, sir. No, I'm also coming, sir. Sir, second.
No, this is important. No, listen, no.
Sir.
Listen.
Sir.
I will sort it out. Sit down.
Sir, the government has not been responding. We know that we can discuss, debate and expose them.
Sir,
but the government, the treasury benches
Okay,
are
now,
disrupting the House.
Sir,
Every day
there is 3 notices.
are disrupting.
आनंद शर्मा जी ने कोई नोटिस आज नहीं दिया है।
Sir, Minister. Mr. Minister. No, I do not disturb your own minister.
Please don't say that.
Naqvi. Mr. Naqvi, sit down. Mr. Naqvi, sit down.
जिस
Yes.
दिन से हाउस शुरू हुआ है, हमारे नेता ने कहा, हमने कहा, नकवी साहब ने कहा, हम बहस के लिए तैयार हैं। आज भी करें, अभी बहस करिए, हम तैयार हैं उसके लिए। लेकिन ये बात से भागते हैं। और एक बात कहो, बहुत गंभीर बात है सर। कल आतंकवाद की चर्चा हो रही थी और उस पर बहस किए थे इन्होंने। कल आतंकवाद की चर्चा हो रही थी, गृह मंत्री यहाँ थे, इनको गृह मंत्री से सवाल नहीं पूछा। Therefore, ये चर्चा से भागते हैं, ये चर्चा से भागते हैं।
It's a serious matter.
This is very serious.
Please sit down.
अभी बात करें, अभी।
No, please sit down.
Sir,
इसलिए चर्चा नहीं कर रहा है।
Let them resume their seat.
और इनके साथ कोई नहीं खड़ा है। देखिए।
I would request all the members to resume your seat.
very serious issue is the leader of the House and Shri Ravi Shankar
He is ready for discussion.
I am concerned.
He is ready for discussion.
That he is suffering from a selective loss of memory. What has happened to your memory?
He is ready for discussion.
The Home Minister was here. Rajnath ji was here.
ये तो गंभीर
You
बात है।
refused to have a
भारत
debate
सरकार
Now,
on terrorism issue.
See,
On the issue of national security also.
Mr. Anand Sharma,
राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा पर
see
क्या
your own motion. What is your own motion?
We want
No.
tangible proposition.
No, the motion is Anand Sharma and opposition members, please listen to me. You listen. Your own motion is demand to discuss response of the Prime Minister on fixing of responsibility on Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh for his alleged Vyapam scam. For this issue, they are ready for discussion. Then why don't you agree? And that means for this they are ready. And the minister, Prime Minister, yes, it is here. Prime Minister response is asked for. They are ready. They are ready.
सर ये डिस्कशन नहीं नारेबाजी करना चाहते हैं। मुर्दाबाद जिंदाबाद
कोई भी तर्क नहीं है इनके पास, कोई मुद्दा नहीं है, मुद्दा ही नहीं है, लोग केवल नारा लगाएंगे। तो नारा सुनने के लिए हम यहाँ नहीं बैठे हुए हैं आपके।
House is adjourned up to 12:00 12 बजे तक।